Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Woo doggy, it's been a minute. It has been a whole ass minute. Yeah, 31 days just really kind of ruined me. I was meant to upload the week after Halloween, and yeah, my body said no thank you. So we're here now anyways. Before October ended, I'm not sure when, maybe the last week of October, I ordered these molds from Amazon. They are Snowflake tea light holder molds. They're actually quite big. They're a lot bigger than I thought they would be. But they're very pretty. And so for today and Thursday's video, I want to do something with these. So one of these I think I'm going to do like a glittery snowflake one, and then for the other one I'm not quite sure what I want to do with it yet. Maybe petri dish style, maybe, I don't know. But anyway, so here we are. I'm probably going to use some of my Larisi glitters for this. Maybe a little bit of blue alcohol ink in the glitter ones. And yeah, hopefully they turn out really cute. As you can see, they are 4 different styles of snowflakes, so that's actually really exciting. I didn't notice that when I ordered them. I'm very happy to see that they are, in fact, 4 different styles. One thing that I did want to try, I probably won't do it this week, just because I'm still dead from Halloween, but I didn't want to leave you beautiful people hanging. I want to try pouring the resin crete just in the round tea light part, and then fill the rest up with resin and see how that looks. So that's going to be a project for another time. I do have some other really cute Christmas molds that have come in since then. And yeah, so I'm going to get my resin warmed up and get it started, and hopefully you enjoy this and enjoy the holiday music. I know, right? Who is she? Alright, friends, so these are cured. So far, I gotta say, I'm very happy with the glitter placement. So I poured today's video and Thursday's video at the same time, and Thursday's video was a bit more involved, as you'll see. So I set the clear aside while I did that, which helped it to thicken up just a smidge, which, you know, helps the glitter to not completely fall to the bottom, which is a great tip if you are not aware. But let's see if we can't get these out. Snowflakes are one of my favorite things to decorate with for Christmas. I just think they're so beautiful. Where I live on the East Coast, we don't get all that much snow. Although I would love to get a whole bunch of snow. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, yeah. And the glitter is indeed all throughout the entire thing. It did not all just fall to the bottom. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. So I think that's why I gravitated towards these so much, is because they are snowflakes. We don't use a lot of decorative candles in our house. We mostly go for the ones that throw scent. But these are very cute. I think they would look really cute on the dining table for maybe Christmas dinner. Yeah. Oh, yeah, those are very, very pretty. What do you guys think? Oh, I love them. Now, I have an entire case of white tea lights upstairs because I do have a wax melter. And I totally forgot to bring one down. But I do have some of these red ones. I didn't want to put the fake ones in. I don't know. I just wanted to see a real flame in these. The red does not go with it. I will have to go get some white ones for the glamour shots because I don't like that. But but anyway, yeah, these are super pretty. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I think they turned out fantastic. Actually, let me take my little leveling board. This thing is great, by the way. This is the G's Fee leveling board. I really like it. It did a great job of keeping my snowflakes level for Thursday's video. But, yeah. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that is today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel. Helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.